Hello friends, welcome to my YouTube channel. So today in this video I am going to show you the unboxing of Philips hair dryer. If you are new in this channel, please do subscribe my YouTube channel and press the bell icon for more tech videos. Okay friends, let's get started. Yeah, this is the product, blue color. This is very lightweight and good design. This product we will get the user manual. This is the user manual. Okay, this is the adapter, 2-pin adapter. This is the cord wire. This is very lengthy. This is 1000-volt hair dryer. It has two flexible heat settings, medium and high. If your hair is very thin, then you can easily use the medium speed. You can see this is the buttons. You can adjust the speed here. Okay. Yeah, this is the nozzle, and if you put this nozzle, we can control the flow of the hot hair. It has a rubberized hook that is located at the base of the handle, and it will provide the under storage option. Now let's look how to work this. Plug on, then switch on, then adjust the speed. Its original price is $845. I got this product from Amazon with some discount. You can also buy this from Amazon. So hope you guys enjoy this video. If you like this one, please like and share, and don't forget to subscribe this channel for more updates. Thank you for watching. Thank you. Bye bye.